how to add people on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add people on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are two ways on how you can do this. You can open up the Telegram application. So first way you can add someone is, if you know the username, you can simply tap the search bar from the top right, and then you can simply search for their username over here. Then once you search for the username, you'll find their name, and then you can simply talk to them in that way. But if you also happen to have their phone number, you can add them as a contact on Telegram by simply tapping the three lines option here, going to the contacts button, then just tapping the plus button here, simply entering their name, then entering their phone number, then tap on create contact. Remember, they also need to have Telegram to be able to add them on Telegram. So this way you can basically add someone on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.